Today I wanted to talk about the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. This is a product that I sell that solves a variety of different printer related issues. The four main issues that this cleaning kit will solve is number one, you're printing blank pages, not able to print at all. One or more colors are not printing, that is maybe your black ink is not printing but the colors are, or vice versa. You kind of have a fading in the colors. The color may be printing but it's faded or it's choppy when it comes out. There's lines going across whatever image or document that you're printing. Or you have a general diminishing quality problem. That is, all the colors in general are just not coming out as crisp as they once did. Well, this cleaning kit will solve each one of those problems. This product has saved consumers hundreds in saved printers, saved printer ink, and the cost of having to buy a new printer, as well as lost time. You get a lot of lost time when you are not able to print, and you could potentially get behind on a project, or you have a business and you rely on printing. There's a link in the description below or on the side somewhere, depending on how you're watching, where you can get this cleaning kit quickly with Amazon Prime. Free shipping, quick shipping, so you can get back to printing normally again. This cleaning kit does work with all the major brands: HP, Epson, Canon, even Lexmark and Dell. On this channel you will find different videos on how to use this cleaning kit, so do consider subscribing to this channel. There is also a money back guarantee for this cleaning kit. If it for whatever reason ends up not working for you, or you're not satisfied with the product, I will give you your money back. And that is how confident I am in this product. I know that this is the best cleaning kit on the market, and I'm excited for you to get yours. Currently, I am offering a promotion. There is a coupon that you can redeem through the Amazon page that I'm directing you to, so make sure to take advantage of that. Just make sure when you buy this kit and you're using it to read the instructions on the back, but also read everything on the Amazon listing page from top to bottom, so you have a full understanding of what you need to do, what is included, and what you can expect from this product. As I mentioned, there's that category of people that have a business or have a big project. Maybe it's a school project, or they have a business where they rely on printing. It is very urgent for them to get this cleaning kit. However, there's another category of people, you may fall into this, where you know someone or you yourself have a printer that's just been laying around for years. You haven't been able to get it to print, and now you're kind of dusting it off and you're trying to get it to print at this point. Printers, especially nowadays, are very valuable, so it is very much worth for you to buy this cleaning kit, fix the problem, save the potentially lost ink that you would have had if you can't print with it. That ink is lost, but if you save the printer, you can use the ink. So you have that savings, and then of course, like I said, you also have the savings of the cost of the printer that you would have had to purchase. This is a very highly rated product on Amazon, and so I'd like to keep that going. If this product works for you, if you save money, if you were able to save a project, or whatever it is, you're able to help someone fix their printer with this cleaning kit, I'd like to know that. Leave a 5-star review on Amazon. That would be greatly appreciated. This is really at the end of the day, this is a DIY project that you'll be doing with this cleaning kit, with the instructional video that you end up using, whichever one on my channel. And so don't be afraid to get your hands a little dirty. You can use gloves so you don't have to get your hands dirty, and get down there, fix your printer. If you haven't done something like this before, the instructional videos, there are a variety of them. If one of them doesn't fully give you an understanding, you can watch another one. There are many videos. They're all pretty much the same concept. There are different tips and tricks that you can use with this cleaning kit. If you have any questions at all, please make sure to comment below. I will do my best to get to each question. Also, please make sure to like this video. That really does help the channel. It helps me. If you know someone that's having this issue even remotely, share this video with them. Share this channel with them so that they have it as a resource. And that's really what I'd like to be for you, is a resource. On this channel, I do printer reviews, printer repair with this cleaning kit, showing you how to use it, and then also printer recommendations, printer advice. I go into different aspects of different types of printing. And so I'd like to be a resource for you when it comes to your printing needs. This is a evolving channel. I'm constantly making new content, so the questions that you comment below potentially could turn into a video. All right, again, if you didn't get yours yet, links in the description below or on the side, depending on how you're watching. Get yours today. I'm excited for you to get this cleaning kit. So that's all the time I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.